Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Stories. I'm so glad you're here to practice your English with another real-life conversation. Today's story is about a husband who is always late and always tired. He thinks his morning routine is okay, but his wife thinks he needs a big change. This story is excellent for learning how to talk about your daily habits and time. Before we begin, I want to ask you, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? Tell us in the comments. Also, listen carefully for our challenge. What was the important event the husband almost missed? And name one new habit he started doing in the morning. Write your answers in the comments as you listen. Are you ready? Let's jump into the story.
You are late again today.
I know. Sorry.
You are always late, every day.
It is not my fault.
Yes, it is. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 o'clock.
8? You start work at 8:30.
I know. I was so tired.
You are always tired in the morning.
I just need more sleep.
No, you need a better routine.
What is a routine?
A routine is what you do every day.
Okay, my routine is fine.
No, it is not fine. Tell me your routine.
Okay. I wake up at 8.
That is too late. Go on.
I get up, then I brush my teeth.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every day.
How long is your shower?
Maybe 30 minutes?
30 minutes. That is very long.
I like long showers. They are relaxing.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
No, I don't have time for breakfast.
That is a big problem. Breakfast is important.
I drink coffee. That is enough for me.
Coffee is not breakfast.
It is enough for me.
Okay, then you go to work?
Yes, I go to work after my shower.
And you are always late to work?
Yes, the traffic is very bad.
The traffic is bad because you leave late.
Maybe, I am not sure.
You need to wake up earlier every morning.
But I am so tired in the morning.
Go to bed earlier at night.
I go to bed at midnight every night.
Midnight, that is very, very late.
I watch TV at night. I like it.
That is why you are always tired.
Okay, maybe you are right a little.
Also, do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I set my alarm for 7:30.
And do you wake up when the alarm rings?
Sometimes I turn it off and sleep more.
You turn off the alarm and sleep more?
Just for a few minutes, maybe 30.
That is not a few minutes. That is a lot.
The bed is very warm and comfortable.
I know, but you must get up on time.
Yes, I will try.
Wait, today is very important. Do you remember?
Why is today important?
You have a job interview today.
Oh, yes, my interview. What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock right now.
And the interview is at 9:30.
Yes, and you are still in bed.
What? I need to hurry right now.
Yes, get up now. Hurry.
Okay, I'm getting up right now.
Did you brush your teeth yet?
Not yet. I am going now.
Go! Brush your teeth. Be fast.
Okay, I am brushing my teeth now. Done.
Good. Are you taking a shower?
Yes, a very fast shower. 5 minutes only.
Good. I am making coffee for you now.
Thank you. And maybe some breakfast too?
Yes, I have bread ready for you.
Perfect. I need to be ready very fast.
Are you ready now?
Almost. Where is my jacket?
It is on the chair. Hurry!
Got it. Do I look okay for the interview?
Yes, you look good. Now go, go.
The interview is at the Green Street office.
I know. Take the bus. No traffic.
Good idea. I am going now. Bye.
Good luck. Please be on time.
I will try. See you later.
You are home. How was the interview?
It was okay, but I was 5 minutes late.
Oh no. Were they angry?
A little. They waited for me. It was bad.
I am sorry. Did you get the job?
I don't know yet. They will call me.
I hope you get it. I really do.
Me too. I was so stressed today.
Because you were late again, as always.
Yes, you are right. I know.
Are you okay? You look tired.
I am okay, but I feel bad inside.
Why do you feel bad?
I need to change. My routine is bad.
Yes, I said that before. Remember?
I know. I am sorry. You were right.
It is okay. You can change. It is not too late.
I am going to wake up at 6 from now on.
6 o'clock? That is very early.
Yes, I want to be on time. Always.
That is a very good idea.
And I am going to eat breakfast every morning.
I can make breakfast for you every day.
Thank you. Also, I am going to bed at 10.
10 o'clock? That is much, much better.
And I am going to take a short shower.
Not 30 minutes this time?
No, 10 minutes. That is enough.
I am so happy to hear all of this.
I want to be better. For me. For you.
I love that. Let's start tomorrow morning.
Yes, a new routine. A better routine.
Good morning. It is 6 o'clock.
Good morning. I am already awake.
Really? You woke up before the alarm?
Yes, I woke up at 5:55.
That is amazing. I am so proud of you.
I feel great. Not tired at all today.
Did you brush your teeth already?
Yes, I brushed my teeth first thing.
And your shower? How long today?
10 minutes. Short and good, I promise.
Perfect. Come, breakfast is ready for you.
Eggs and coffee? This is wonderful.
Eat quickly. Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, a big meeting at 9 o'clock.
What time are you going to leave?
I am going to leave at 7:30.
7:30? That is very early for you.
I know, but I want to be on time.
I am so happy. This is the new you.
Yes, a better routine is a better life.
You look happy and ready and on time.
I feel ready. Every morning is better now.
What did you learn from all of this?
Wake up early. Eat breakfast.
And?
Take a short shower. Go to bed early.
And one more very important thing.
Never be late. Always be on time.
Exactly. You are a very fast learner.
Thank you. You are a great teacher.
Now go to work. and please be on time.
I am going right now. See you tonight.
Have a wonderful day. I love you.
I love you too. Goodbye.
Now let's review today's vocabulary together. Number 1. Wake up. This means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open. You are not sleeping anymore.
Number 2. Get up. This means to move your body out of bed. You stand up after you wake up.
Number 3. Brush my teeth. This means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. You do this every morning.
Number 4. Take a shower. This means to wash your body with water. Many people take a shower in the morning.
Number 5. Go to work. This means to travel to your job. You leave your home and go to your workplace.
Number 6. Late. This means after the correct time. If a meeting is at 9 and you arrive at 9:10, you are late.
Number 7. Early. This means before the correct time. If a meeting is at 9 and you arrive at 8:50, you are early.
Number 8. On time. This means at the correct time. Not late, not early. Exactly on time. This is very good.
Number 9. Alarm. This is a sound on your phone or clock. It makes a loud noise to wake you up in the morning.
Number 10. Breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. You eat it in the morning. Eggs, bread, and fruit are common breakfast foods.
Number 11. Coffee. This is a hot drink. Many people drink coffee in the morning. It helps them feel less tired.
Number 12. Tired. This means you need sleep. Your body feels heavy. Your eyes want to close. You feel tired after a long day.
Number 13. Hurry. This means to move fast. When you are late, you need to hurry. You do things very quickly.
Number 14. Ready. This means you are prepared. You have everything. You can go. Are you ready? Means, can we go now?
Number 15. Meeting. This is when a group of people come together to talk. You can have a meeting at work or school.
Number 16. Interview. This is a special meeting. You talk to someone about a job. They ask you questions. You answer them.
Number 17. Routine. This is what you do every day. Your routine is your daily plan. Wake up, brush teeth, shower. That is a routine.
Number 18. Change. This means to do something different. To change your routine means to stop old habits and start new ones.
Number 19. Better. This means more good. If something is better, it is an improvement. A good routine is better than a bad routine.
Number 20. Every day. This means all days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every single day. Your routine happens every day.
Number 21. Traffic. This means all the cars and vehicles on the road. When there is a lot of traffic, you move very slowly. Too much traffic can make you late.
Number 22. Comfortable. This means relaxed and feeling very good. A warm and soft bed is very comfortable. That is why it is so hard to leave it in the morning.
Number 23. Important. This means very necessary. Some things are very important. Being on time is important. Eating breakfast is important. Your morning routine is very important.
Stressed. This means feeling very nervous or worried inside. When you wake up late and have an important meeting, you feel very stressed.
Number 25. Proud. When you feel proud, you feel very happy about something you did well. When you follow your new routine every day, you should feel very proud of yourself. And that is our vocabulary for today. Great work, everyone. Remember the lesson. A good routine makes your life better.
Wonderful! You have now learned 25 important words. Before we finish, let's do a quick review. I will say a word, you think about what it means, then I will tell you the answer. This will help you check your understanding. Let's go.
Word 1. Routine. Think about it. What is a routine? A routine is what you do every day. Your morning routine is your daily plan.
Word 2. Alarm. What is an alarm? An alarm is a sound on your phone or clock. It makes a noise to wake you up in the morning.
Word 3. On time. What does on time mean? On time means at the correct time. Not late, not early, exactly on time.
Hurry. What does hurry mean? Hurry means to move very fast. When you are late, you need to hurry.
Word 5. Proud. What does proud mean? Proud means very happy about something good you did. A good routine will make you feel proud every single day.
Great review. Now let's practice speaking together. I will say a sentence, you stop and repeat it out loud. Say it slowly at first, then say it again faster. This is great practice for your English. Are you ready? Here we go.
Listen and repeat. My morning routine starts at 6 o'clock every day.
I leave home early, so I am never late.
Listen and repeat. I always eat breakfast before I go to work.
I wake up early, brush my teeth, and take a short shower.
Excellent work today. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
It's amazing how a better routine can change your whole life. Our character went from being stressed and late to feeling proud and ready. It shows that it's never too late to start a new positive habit. Now it's time for our challenge. Did you catch the details? What was the important event he almost missed? And what is one new habit he started doing in the morning? I'll be checking the comments to see your answers. Every time you listen to these stories, your English gets better and stronger. Keep up the great work. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned some new vocabulary, please like this video and subscribe to join our community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next English adventure. Goodbye.